Horses out while Storm Hall was left behind. King Amadeo by about 3 lengths. A Storm Gas now moving up to take second. Saintly Pat, Haywire, Best Kept Secret down on the inside. And a long way back to Gundam. And going along for the first turn, King Amadeo by about 4 lengths. A Storm Gas in second, 4 lengths away in third, Haywire. Racing in fourth, Saintly Pat, Best Kept Secret, and Gundam. King Amadeo by about 2.5 lengths. A Storm Gas still in second, then in third, Haywire. Best Kept Secret now trying to get closer in fourth, Saintly Pat, and Gundam. And it's still King Amadeo by only 2 lengths. Then here comes the Storm Gas. Now coming closer on the outside second. Haywire is racing in third. Best Kept Secret. King Amadeo, Storm Gas moving up on the outside as they come down to the last 200. King Amadeo, Storm Gas now moves up on the outside. Storm Gas, King Amadeo is running by trail. But it's still Storm Gas by Oralenka. King Amadeo in second, Saintly Pat, Gundam. And hitting the finish line is Storm Gas, King Amadeo, Gundam, Saintly Pat, Best Kept Secret, and Haywire.